So here we have a 2008 Honda Civic Type R. It's got roughly 110,000 miles on the clock, and it's the 2 litre petrol engine. As part of the service I'm doing on this Honda today, I'm going to be changing the air filter elements, which is located inside this plastic air box here. Looks like it's just got a couple of clips to release, but we'll go ahead and get the old filter out. So this side, you can see there's a clip there that needs releasing, another one there, there's one round the other side just there. So it looks like you unpop all of those, and here are two plastic legs that locate into some slots, so it'll probably have to come out this way. I might need to disconnect this airflow sensor and take the ducting off. You could probably wriggle around and do it without disconnecting that, but actually I'm going to take it off, I think, just to make life a bit easier. It shouldn't take long. Push that little tab down, pull that off. And the trim clip tool in there. Leave that out. And just undo this here. That's it. So that doesn't take a minute to do. Now we need to release these clips, which you should just be able to push down on there, ping them off. Just allows you to get this right out of the way. So that looks like a performance air filter. Oh, look at the state of that. It could probably be washed out, but the customer has asked to just replace it with a standard air filter. So that's what we'll do. So quite a difference between those two filters. Now before I put it back in, it's always a good idea just to have a look in here and make sure there's no debris in there, bits of leaves or twigs or anything like that. That looks pretty clean. You can get a vacuum cleaner and just hoover it out if there is, or blow it out with an airline. So it looks like that'll only fit in one way. Got a rubber gasket around the edge. That's it. So there's just two prongs we've got to locate first. Then drop it down and clip it up. Oh, that one down the back's a bit tricky. Actually, I think I'll start with the one down the back. Right, now why can't I get that on? Yeah, it's all sitting there properly. Doesn't want to clip on. Oh, that was it. Just double check that. Oh yeah, that's fine. So there we have it, one air filter refitted. Fairly straightforward job. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.